What we do here is go back.
3 birds in the morning, 3 birds in the twilight. 3 birds gonna let me know everything's gonna be alright. When I'm chilling at the park, 3 birds out to play. 3 birds gonna let me know everything's gonna be okay. Shout out to Bob Marley, and she loves rainbows in the sky. The universe sending messages, 3 birds as they fly on by. I'll just keep on loving all the signs for me to see. 3 birds at just the right time. Much love being sent for me. Oh yeah, what's up? What's going on? Jace Jacobs here. I hear those birdies, you hear them? I hear them. They were flying around all over just a few seconds ago. There's even some bunny rabbits out here too. Maybe a coyote or 2 as well. Yeah, it's been a great day. Yeah. Go and shut it down. Go have some fun. I'm just loving this reflection off my car. How about you? Yeah, saying goodbye to the day. Alrighty. It's me a good one. I love and appreciate you. I'm Jace Jacobs. Appreciate everything. Love fully. Need nothing. Namaste, my friend. High five, knuckles. Later!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.